Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back in another video. Today we're gonna try, if you not watched my last video, we changed these lights out, these ones here, the back ones as well. Now we got left these ones here, as you can see, the shit yellow ones. So if you didn't watch my last video, I don't have any of the tools with me, so we're gonna either use my fingers, usually they fall out with your fingers. Almost. Maybe I need to slide one way and do it. Either that or I'll have to use a screwdriver, which I have, so we'll see. Guys, looking online as well, there's not a single tutorial on how to change these ones, so I'm guessing just gonna have to YOLO it, guys. I don't have any tools on me. There you go. So the connectors at the top here, can you see? So that means, how did I pry that? So you need to pry it from the top, that way. So it's not like Volkswagen do from side the cables. These guys do from the top to bottom, which is very weird. Maybe it's because it's an old car, that's how it was. So yeah, so this one, let's see. So you pry from the bottom to the top. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much came out easily. I don't think I have a single bulb that is that long though. Maybe I do. I'll see. Hopefully I do. We'll find out, guys. Give me a second. Does this work while it's off? Yeah, there you go. So I can test it out without taking the full thing out. That's good. So give me a second, guys. Let me get one of these bulbs out and figure out which size I need. So to take this out, should I unplug it or not? Oh shit. No, I'm just gonna leave it in. It's a bit flimsy, so I'm not gonna bother with it. Just gonna pull this out by hand. Like that, you see? Just pulled it straight out. You just push these metal tabs outwards a bit and it just pops out. There's your old bulb that I need to find. In all of this mess, I need to find the right bulb. One that's a similar size. The metal prongs anyway. So let's figure that out. Yeah. Got this one. That one is quite similar. And we also have this one. That's too short, isn't it? I think it's these ones here. So maybe these two on it. Wait, is that longer? Who the fuck made these, man? Like, they're not even the same length each compared to each other, do you get me? Like, look at these two, they're not even the same length. Same manufacturer, same product. Can you see there's a big difference? It's a bit longer, this one, taller one. Which means I might find a taller one here as well. That's a smaller one. What the fuck? How many is there? These are short ones, we can't use them. They're too short of them. Can you see? So let's get these short ones out of the way. Let me see if I can find another long one like that. Yeah. So they're the two longest ones, so I'm going to use them. They're not been manufactured very well, so hopefully they work. So now, because the lens is facing that way, you want the LED facing obviously. LED facing obviously that way. You want the lights facing towards the lens obviously. So we're going to plug in this way. If it doesn't work, we're going to switch it around upside down and put it in, because LED works one way or the other basically. So yeah, so this is just very simple push in. Can I do it 100? Might be able to. I want to try for you guys so it's easier for you to see rather than an upside down angle. I'll try. Yeah, there, that's it. Perfect fit. It's a bit flimsy, but fuck me. Right, I'm gonna need 2 hands. So to tighten it as well, if I want to tighten a bit, I can just shove them tabs in, which I'm gonna do now once I plug this in now. But I need 2 hands for that, so give me 1 second, guys. You can see me from top down below. hopefully that's in there. That moves about too much, guys. First of all, let's see if it works. Yeah, so it is working. As you can see, it is working. It's just a bit, can you see, keeps spinning around. See, we've already lost it. We do not want it to be spinning around, so let's switch that off for now. I have to figure out how to tighten this a bit. Alright, give me a second, guys. Now guys, I tightened it. Doesn't seem to be wobbling at all anymore. So all I did was push them tabs in without it in, make it a bit tighter, and then shoved it in. It did stop working for a second or two. Don't know what that was. I think it's cause if you push this too far back, it switches off or something. I don't know. It's weird, man. But there is a bit of a white thing coming off there. That's what's a bit alarming. Like, what in the world is that? That wasn't there a second ago. My hands on white. Yeah, but I'm not liking the product quality of this. Like the build quality. But yeah, for now we'll have to do, I guess. So yeah, you just shove this band back in now. Oh, my fucking left arm. So yeah, I've got some bad shoulders from the gym. But yeah, they're very bright compared to the old ones. Let's see. Well, the old ones are pretty bright too, I guess. But obviously you get the white colour now, don't you? The coolness. So let me shove this back up there. How the hell was the wiring up there? So nicely, nice and neat. I'm going to need 2 hands for this, guys. Because my shoulders are gone from the gym. So yeah. So all you're doing is shoving it back in there. Oh, my shoulders are gone. Shove the wiring in there. Hope you can see. Top in. There you go. So top goes in first. Can you see? And yeah. There's your LED done now. This side obviously still halogen. I'm going to switch that out now. And again, if it's not working, all you do is switch the LED around. Upside down, I mean, whatever. Because this LED works one way or the other. So yeah, let's test this side out now, guys. So we're just going to pop this bulb out. So to pop it out, you just squeeze this out on both ends. But I need 2 hands now, fuck me. Might be better off going that side rather than stretching, because my shoulders are gone, guys. Yeah, we'll do it anyway. Oh, yeah. There you go. Bulb's out. This is the new bulb, but I think it's going to need tightening, so I'm just going to shove it, push it in together just to tighten it a bit already. Saves us time. There you go, guys. Nice and tight. Testing wise, it's working very nicely, as you can see. I hope you could see all that. I don't even know. But all I did was push it together before I put in. I put in now, and the LEDs facing the light, obviously, so it can come through nicely. So you got the LED working there now, and then just shove that there. So top goes in first, and then there you go, guys. Simple as that. Very easy install. And now you got these lights as well. Got full interior done now. Yeah, very beautiful, isn't it? So at night time this will look very nice. And then all the only LEDs left now is the door lights. These floor lights, I can't be asked doing them though, because they don't really bother me that much. But for you guys I might make the video, I don't know. Because yeah, I don't know, my back might go if I do that shit. But yeah, there's your old bulbs. Got all the old bulbs done. Which one will be for the floor then? Couldn't tell you. So yeah, I guess we'll leave them ones that I really can't be asked doing them. They're more harder to do as well, because you have to get it exact somewhere down there, and I can't be asked doing it. Bending over, breaking my back. Might do in the future, we'll see. If I get pissed off, like it really doesn't bother me, the yellow light down here, because my strip lights are always on as soon as the car's on, so you can't see them anyway. So yeah, thank you guys for watching anyways. That's how you do your mirror lights. Quite easy to do. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.